A very good evening to you. A cold end to the week for many of us, freezing and frosty for some in the next few hours before it turns increasingly wet and windy from the north and the west as we slide into the weekend. Amber warnings already in place for extremely windy weather through the latter stages of Sunday as a storm rolls in. In the meantime, the cold and frosty conditions confined to the south and the east initially tonight before things change from the west. A switch in the wind direction will mean increasingly gusty winds and outbreaks of rain sliding in through the next 24 to 48 hours. This storm waiting in the wings, approaching through the latter stages of Sunday, will bring widespread gales, sometimes disruptive strong winds later in the day, and a good deal of wet weather once more, together with any melted snow, an awful lot of standing water for some. As for the next few hours, clear skies will allow temperatures to dip across the south and the east, here freezing and frosty, and it will be an icy start for some. Temperatures slowly recover by the end of the night. Further north, further west, a very different scene. Brisk winds and outbreaks of rain. A wintry mix of sleet and snow across the highest ground of Scotland, and here blowing snow again across the highest routes for a time. Into the new day, a split setup. Colder air across the south, close to freezing initially, with clearer skies, a little limited with that cloud cover. Elsewhere, a good deal of grey sky, staying quite blustery out there, with outbreaks of rain sliding through northern and western counties, disappointingly dull and damp, misty low cloud for the highest ground, and temperatures doing way better than of late, nowhere near as chilly, in fact a lot milder than it has been in the last week or so. See you soon.